Hello, I'm Hana Lee, Sales Master from Atomy, Canada. I'm absolutely excited to share with you my favorite Atomy cleansing system, Atomy Evening Care Full Set and Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. Evening Care Full Set turns my daily skincare routine into a spa-level experience. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of proper cleansing in our daily skincare routine for healthy and youthful skin. If your pores are clogged with impurities, you're likely to have breakouts and skin dullness. Enlarged pores lead to a sagging skin. But Atomy cleansing system is our superhero. Prevents clogged pores and it primes our skin for a better absorption of the skincare benefits. Atomy cleansing systems not only clean deeply within the pores, but also nurture the skin with a rich blend of ingredients from nature. The Atomy Evening Care Full Set includes 4 pieces: deep cleanser, foam cleanser, peeling gel, and peel-off mask pack. They are gentle yet powerful, going beyond the surface level cleaning. They swoop in, kick out impurities, and leave my skin feeling clearer, softer, firmer, and radiant. So let me share my nighttime cleansing routine with you. I apply the double cleansing method, starting with an oil-based cleanser, followed by a foam cleanser. I choose between Atomy Deep Pure Cleansing Oil or Deep Cleanser. Atomy Deep Pure Cleansing Oil is fermented natural oil. It's gentle enough for the most sensitive skin, yet powerful in removing tough makeup, sebum, blackheads, and whiteheads. My skin gets squeaky clean and refreshed without any single irritation. In my personal experience, I used to have long time accumulated sebum on my nose here, and it has vanished. I never imagined if I could ever clear it away. For the deep cleanser, I choose this when I want to nurture my skin while removing impurities. It nourishes the skin for vitality, leaving it hydrated, clearer, firmer, and radiant. I apply and gently massage, ensuring the removal of all the impurities. Before rinsing, I massage one more time with wet fingers, and then rinse with warm water. Afterward, I use a foam cleanser. This is the burst of freshness. It smells so good. The texture is as rich as whipped cream. I create a generous amount of foam with a bit of warm water. The rich lather sweeps away impurities, and it clarifies, soothes, and nourishes the skin. The antibacterial effect is also a bonus. Next, it is a peeling gel. Peeling gel is a gentle exfoliator in a gel form. It's recommended for use once or twice a week. Accumulated dead skin cells can lead to dull skin and hinder the absorption of the skincare. This gel effectively exfoliates away dead skin cells, unveiling a radiant complexion and leaving my skin as soft as the baby bottom. The final step of Evening Care Full Set is the peel-off mask pack. Peel-off mask pack clarifies and minimizes your pores, leaving your face visibly firmer and clearer. You can apply it after the toner before the rest of the skincare, or use it as the final step and wear it during your sleep, or at least for 1 hour. Then when it's completely dry, gently peel it off upwards. In the morning, you'll be amazed how soft it is. It's like a magic trick for a firm and radiant skin. Let me introduce one more gem in my daily routine. The Absolute Oil Serum Mist. This is one of my favorites. This mist is an antioxidant and anti-aging superstar. It effectively hydrates, brightens, and increases elasticity. Shake it well and spray it anytime, anywhere, even over your makeup. Let me share a secret method for dramatic improvement for your skin. After washing your face, swipe off the water with your hands. Shake and spray this oil serum mist on the wet face. This step locks in the moisture. Spray the mist between Atomy Absolute skincare items. It's like secret sauce for supercharged skincare. Spray this mist after face wash. Then I use toner, ampule, and the mist. Serum, cream, and the mist again. Try this method and experience improvement to your skin. With the Atomy Evening Care Full Set, you can elevate your skin to a new level of clarity, softness, firmness, and radiance. Let the magic begin, and may your skin be forever pampered and fabulous. This was my sharing. I'm Sales Master Hana from Atomy, Canada.